In this video, we will show you how to end subscriptions on Amazon Primes. Okay, to end subscriptions on your Amazon Primes, you need to log in your account, okay, to amazon.com. After that, just select your account and list. Just click here. After you click this, just find the Prime. Okay, after that, you can see your memberships. Just click this and select end memberships. Okay, select this and you can see on the bottom there is continue to cancel. Okay, just click continue to cancel and cancel on renewal. Okay, on this date and end on August. Okay, on the 27 2025. Just click this. You can see your status. Membership ending is in 27 August. Okay, that's all tutorial how to stop or end subscriptions on Amazon Primes. Hope this video helpful for you and thanks for watching.